If you want your content to rank on Google, you need more than just keywords, you need real search intent. Answer the Public helps you understand what people are actually asking so you can optimize your SEO the right way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize SEO with Answer the Public step by step. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you'll have access to real search queries that can guide your SEO strategy. Next, type your main topic or niche keyword. This is the foundation of your SEO strategy, so choose something closely related to your content or business. Click Search and let Answer the Public generate results. You'll see questions, comparisons, prepositions, and related searches that reflect real user intent. Now focus on search intent. Look at each keyword and decide if the user wants information, a comparison, or to buy something. This step is key for SEO optimization. One of the best SEO strategies is turning question-based keywords into content sections. These questions can become headings, FAQs, or full blog posts that directly match what users are searching for. Next, focus on long-tail keywords. These are easier to rank for and often bring more targeted traffic because they match specific user intent. Now organize your keywords into topic clusters. This helps search engines understand your authority on a subject and improves your chances of ranking higher. Use your keywords to structure your content. Add them to titles, headings, meta descriptions, and naturally throughout your blog or article. Next, connect your content with internal links. Use related keywords from Answer the Public to link between your articles and build a strong SEO structure. SEO is not a one-time task. Keep checking Answer the Public for new search trends and update your content regularly to stay competitive. And that's how to optimize SEO with Answer the Public. Yeah, when you use real search data to guide your content, ranking becomes much more strategic and effective. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your SEO journey.